Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to leave a community on the WhatsApp PC app, especially with the new update. If you've found that a community no longer aligns with your interests, leaving it is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate the app. Next, look for the community icon on your screen. This icon usually appears on the left sidebar, and it's where all your communities are housed. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in the community section, it's time to find the specific community you want to leave. Scroll through your list or use the search function if you have many communities. It makes it a lot easier. After you've located the community, click on its name to see more details about it. This action will bring up the community info, where you can find all the relevant details you need. Now the final steps. Look for the option that says Exit Community. Click on it, and you'll see a confirmation prompt. To complete the process, simply click on Exit. And just like that, you're out of the community. And there you have it. Leaving a community on WhatsApp for PC is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.